Hi, I'm Fred. This is how to create a short using DaVinci Resolve 18. First, create your project. Go to the media panel, find your source file, drag it to the media pool. Right-click on it and choose Create New Timeline using selected clips. Uncheck Use Project Settings. Go to the Format tab. Change to Custom, which is at the top. Enter 1080 and 1920 and click Create. It will create a timeline and open it up. Go to the Edit panel, select the clip and open the inspector. Change the zoom to 3.190, the ratio between 1080 and 1920. I use the Cut panel to edit the shorts. First, I find the end of the clip where I want to create the short. Hit Shift Close bracket to clip the end off. For a 15-second short, click on the timecode here and type -15 period and hit Enter. Hit Shift Open bracket to clip the beginning. And now you can play the video, add in some overlays, graphics, text, music, whatever you want. To render, go to the Deliver panel. Browse for location to save it to. I use the MP4 format because it is native to YouTube. You can adjust any of these settings you like or leave them as is. Click Add to Render Queue. Then click Render All. It's a short, so it only takes a few seconds. And then you can upload it to YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you all later.